Wallet Hubbers! Today we're talking about corporate credit cards. The term corporate credit card can mean slightly different things to different people. Technically, a corporate card is a special type of credit card account that's issued to a corporation rather than an individual representing a business. But generally, a corporate credit card is what you might call the card that an employee receives as an authorized user on a business owner's credit card account. Some people also just use corporate cards as a synonym for small business cards. There are two types of corporate credit card relationships that are actually attainable for the vast majority of the business community. The main distinction here is whether or not employees must actually pay for the purchases that they make. So first we have employee authorized users. Small business credit cards allow company owners to designate employees as authorized users on the corporate account. So the primary account holder can also set custom spending limits for each employee and earn rewards on their spending. But the primary account holder also has to foot the bill. The second situation involves employee reimbursement. Many companies allow employees to use their own credit cards for work-related spending and then submit expense reports for review and reimbursement. This is the best arrangement if you're an employee because it lets you rack up rewards on your personal credit card without really spending any of your own money. There are also some tips to keep in mind when using corporate cards. Regardless of whether you're using your personal credit card for business expenses or you have a business credit card, make sure to save your receipts. Saving receipts helps business owners with expenses, management, and tax prep. And it could be the ticket to a reimbursement if an employee uses their own credit card. Next, if you're using a personal credit card for business expenses and getting reimbursed, consider having one card for each of your major expense categories in order to maximize your rewards. To find the best credit card for your business spending, just click the button here for Wallet Hub's editor's top picks.